Hello guys, this is me Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. So I woke up with a thought of doing a video which is going too viral, and it says that I tried following so and so makeup guru and they have done their makeup exactly like the makeup guru which they are following. So even I am going to do the similar kind of a stuff, and I am going to try to follow Nikkie tutorial. So now there was a very big question for me, to whom should I follow? And I had many thoughts. First I thought Nikkie tutorial and I was like, I am sure I'm not gonna able to do her look for sure, because she is marvelous and she is beautiful in her makeup, and then I felt I would be not justifying her beautiful look which she does every time. So I thought I'll go for a little easier tutorial and a little bit of simpler kind of a makeup tutorial which she has shown, and I'm trying to get this look right here. So without further ado, let's get started. So first what she's doing is she's priming her face with a primer, and of course I don't have the primer which she's using, so I'll be using the Smashbox Primerizer, and this is a sticky kind of a primer, and yes, I'll be following that to achieve what she has got. So now second step which she's following is setting her face with the Morphe spray, and yeah, I have made a DIY spray and I'll be spraying that. So now she's going to take an orange concealer from Maybelline for her dark circles. I will be using the Pro Conceal from Elegant Cosmetics in the shade orange. And she's used a brush. She is not going to tell us the name of the foundation she's used. I need to check the description box. Lancome Tint Idol 24 Hours Long Wear Foundation. Okay, so of course we do not have that one as well. Oh my god, this is too much for me. She's a high coverage addict, as she says always. Let's get on to her page, and even we will be working on high coverage today. So I'll be using the essence as usual. Stay all day long. I'll be mixing the soft cream and the soft sand together to achieve my shade, and we'll be having a very amazing thick layer of this to get a full coverage. So yeah, now she is on the concealer and she's using the M.A.C NC35 concealer. And I think that as a concealer, this shade is a little bit darker, or like my color, so I'll be adding a little bit of lighter shade in this, and let's see how she blends. Oh, she's crying for her brother. I'm sorry. Okay, so she is blending this out with the help of a sponge again, and we'll be doing the same. So she is now powdering, and we will do the same. I am using Laura Mercier powder. She's done her eyebrows offline, so I'll be doing the same. So I'll quickly go and do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Here I am back with my eyebrows, and now, okay, so she is using the Maybelline a little bit of small, the In the City or the City something something palette. So we will be using the Morphe palette because she says that it is warm tone, brown colors and matte. So I think that this palette is going to be the perfect match. Oh my gosh, she's using the brown color. Okay, so I need to search the same brown color. Yes, I have found it. No, I guess this is not the shade that she's using. So I have taken the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and I found something similar color over here. Let's try and see if I get that color. I'll zoom you in, I forgot that. And she has taken it little bit extra on the eye. We will be doing the same. So yes guys, I think I have achieved what she has got, and we will be switching on to the next step, which she's saying, oh my god, she's using white color and I need to find it. So this palette is always a savior, and I have found a white matte color right here and I'll be using the same. I hope that I am doing what she is doing and the end result doesn't disappoint me. Yeah. Apply it like how she is doing. Yeah, is this the color? Yes, it is. I'm not liking this. So now she's going with the same smudging brush and going over it again. So now that we are done with this, let's go to the next step. Okay, so now she's going to wash off all the under baking. And we are going to do the same again. I'm repeating the same statement all the time. Now she is going to go to the under eyes and we'll be doing the same. This is not normal. Because of my laziness, I have ruined the color, so I'll go back again to the Jaclyn Hill palette and take the same color out of it and try to correct this. It's gonna be so difficult for me. So now she's going to go and do her lashes and lower mascara, and I will be going to do the same. And for my lashes, I am going to use Sophia from Huda Beauty, which looks like what she's wearing right now. More dramatic, and I'll be right back. I have popped on my eyelashes and my lower mascara like her, and let's see what next she has to do. Now she is bronzing, so I'll be using this shade from M.A.C. I don't know which shade is this. I will try to link down this in the description box below. So now for her it's time to glow, and we'll be get glowing too. And what I will be using is Huda Beauty highlighter as usual, and I'll be using the shade Capri and Santorini. Is this enough for Nikkie? No, I think this will be fine. God. So the lipstick which she is going is very nude, and the nude shade which I have, I'll be using this nude shade called Velvet Teddy, and I'll be applying it on my lips. And over that we have to get a gloss. Yeah, I have a lip gloss from Bobbi Brown and in the shade of Beige, which matches the shade which she's used. And like her, setting spray. So yes, this is it, and here we come to an end of this video. I hope that you like this video. If you like, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below whether do you think it was similar to Nikkie's or it wasn't. And I'll be linking down the video which I have tried to imitate in the description box below. And So what I feel about this look is I need to get a little bit of more pigment on my eyeshadow, but I tried my level best to get there. But of course she's a champ, so no one can beat her. That's it for today, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye.